Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elise London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. So if you are interested in watching, please stay tuned.
Wine slow, girl, you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine, yo. Make you stop work, start mine, yo. I am front. You see their body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you eh. You see their body there. I feel the lyrical.
So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this hair that got sent to me from Alipearl Hair, and they sent me over their 5x5 HD deep wave closure lace front wig, and it's in the length 28 inches and in the density 250%. And I was really excited to do this video because I've never reviewed a HD lace wig before, so I was really excited to do this video for you guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. So I'm going to start off by doing my hair first, then onto my makeup, and then outfit last. And literally guys, we're just getting all cute to stay in. And I use my eyebrow razor because I think it just works better because it gives that jagged look and it just helps mimic an actual hairline, whereas when you use scissors it's a bit more complicated. But I don't mind using scissors. Either way you can still get good results, but I think using an eyebrow razor is a bit more better to cut your lace off. The only thing bad which I have to say about this hair is that when I was bleaching the hair, I left it on for about 20 to 25 minutes and some of the knots did go. I don't know if you guys can see it from the video, but the knots were not completely gone once I bleached it, and I was pretty disappointed about that. Since it's, you know, HD lace, I thought it would have been pretty easy to bleach the knots, but hey, we move. So as you all saw, that this hair can get very big once brushed out. So now what I'm going to do is wet this hair and put my leave-in conditioner to define the curls. To install my wig, I did go in and use my Chic Bond glue. I used 3 layers of this glue because I'm planning on leaving this wig on for a little while. Then I put my foundation onto the lace just so that it can blend a little bit better. And just to let you guys all know that this hair did come with a smell to it, you know, that manufacturer smell. So I did bleach the hair and wash it. So here I'm just spritzing my hair with water first, and I'm doing that just so that the hair is detangled and wet throughout. Then once the hair is all wet, I'm going to go in with my argan oil, Tame and Shine leave-in conditioner and apply that throughout the hair. Everywhere. And then follow up with my paddle brush and brush the hair through. And I also did not, I repeat, did not get no shedding whatsoever, which I was pretty surprised about just because it is expected with curly hair. So that's the hair done and out of the way. So now we're moving on to the makeup. So the foundation that I use is the Max Factor Base Affinity All Day Flawless Flexi Hold 3-in-1 Concealer Foundation in the color SPF 20. And it's in the color 102 Chocolate. And I apply that foundation with my foundation brush. And the concealer that I'm using in this video is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm gonna go in with my blending sponge and blend all of that out till it looks flawless. Then to keep that concealer in place all day, I'm going to go in with my Sacha Buttercup powder and apply that to the areas where I concealed. So like my chin, under my eyes, eyelids, nose. And this also gives a matte finish as well. Since we're all in quarantine and it is lockdown everywhere, lock up, ayy. So we're in lockdown, ayy. I've run out of contour, so going with a burnt orange eyeshadow, and I use that as my contour, and it just gives my face that kind of soft and warm bronze look, which I like. I contour my cheekbones, my nose, and my forehead and my jawline. And to contour my nose, I do use that same dark burnt orange eyeshadow, and then I go in with another eyeshadow, a darker eyeshadow on top. So guys, with this step I don't always do when I do my makeup, but when I do it, I just get my baby powder and put it underneath the contour where my cheekbone is, just to get that sharper look. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Unlimited mascara and fluff up my eyelashes, getting them ready for when I apply my lashes. And for those who are wondering where I get my lashes from, I got these lashes from my hair store. And I just love thick and full long eyelashes, and I feel like without eyelashes it don't make your look. And I like to spritz my face halfway through doing my makeup, and I spritz my face with the matte fixing spray from Makeup Revolution. Then after that I don't go in with any name brand highlighters, so I just use this glittery gold eyeshadow, and I use that as my highlighter. Highlight under my eyes, my nose, cheekbones, and under my nose and chin. And don't judge me guys, there's no rules to makeup boo, period. And for lips, all I do is go in with a dark brown lip liner to line up my lips. Then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with my glittery lip gloss. And that's it for makeup, guys. And for outfit, I'm just gonna jump into my leopard short onesie from my clothing brand on Instagram called Deluxe Sets, where I sell lingerie and nightwear. And that is it, guys. You literally saw me do everything from start to finish. I think everything turned out really nice, good, slayed, hair slayed, makeup on point, outfit just tops everything off. So yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. Please leave any comments down below if I should do more Get Ready With Me's in future. And yeah, guys, I hope you really enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys. To line up my lips.